Okay, in the last video I showed you how to customize your workspace. I currently have my space open here and I'm ready to dive into this assignment. Currently I have an untitled document here because you need to open that in order to kind of customize your workspace. So I have the HTML insert tab up here and then the properties down here. It all looks and I'm ready to roll. So for this assignment what you need to do is you need to gather some information, whether it be from Wikipedia or somewhere online, for your top 5 favorite whatever topic that you chose. For me, I actually have a folder on my desktop that is actually my site folder that I've defined, and inside of that I have an assets folder. Inside of that I have an Alex Painters, and it's a Word document where I've copied and pasted some information from online. Now you'll see that I have a formatted and not a formatted, and I just wanted to show you the difference here. I'm going to go ahead and open up my Alex Painters formatted document, and that brings it up here. And by formatting, what I mean is I've gone through and actually added some formatting to this. So my title here, Alex's Top 5 Favorite Painters in Art History, has an H1 heading, and you can find that over in the Home tab for your Word document or MS Word. If I go through here, you'll see I have H2s as well. So those are H2s, heading 2s. You'll find that these actually translate really well into Dreamweaver. So if you want to take your time and do the formatting here initially, you can. Now, one thing that I do want you to do is to remove any links that may be already, sometimes when you copy and paste from Wikipedia, there tends to be a lot of links that come across. So you'll see a lot of these blue links. You need to go in before you copy and paste it over into Dreamweaver. You need to go in and remove those links just by simply hovering over the link itself, right-clicking, and going down to hyperlink, remove hyperlink, and that'll remove that. So if you have a lot of those, you need to go through and do that. Another option is just to click in and save your document as text only. So that way you don't have to go through and remove all the things there. So I'm going to go ahead and file and save this. And when you open that up, now what I can do is you can do a click and drag and select everything, or you can do a Command or Control A to select everything on that page. Next, you can do a Control or Command C to copy it, or a right click and copy. I'm going to go ahead and minimize that and go back into my Dreamweaver. So here we are back in Dreamweaver, and again I'm currently working in my WYSIWYG area here where you can paste your content into. Now remember, this is just the code view, so you don't want to work in this area here. You want to make sure that you have a click inside of this white space here. Next, what I can do is right click, or actually Command or Control C or V to paste. Command and Control C is to copy. Command or Control V, as in Victor, is to paste. Or you can come up here, I believe, to edit and paste. Now if you click on Paste Special, that'll open up something else. Paste Special will allow you to bring in the structure that I just formatted. For example, text with structure, paragraphs, lists, tables, etc. Text with structure plus basic formatting, bold format, and so on. And you could say OK. So there, I've gone ahead and brought that in that way. But let me Control Z that really quick. I'm going to go back up to Paste Special, and this time I'm going to select text structure plus basic formatting, bold, and so on, and say OK. And here you can see that it's kind of the same thing. Okay, so either one of those will work fine. Control Z on that one too. And if I go to just plain text, it'll just actually take it all away and you won't have any formatting. So again, this is a little bit overwhelming as far as having text only, because then you'll have to go through and add a lot of the formatting. So it's best to kind of paste in special, and you could do either one of these three things. I like to clean up word paragraph spacing, so make sure that's clicked. The third one is fine. There we go. You can see that it brought in that list, and so on and so forth. Okay. In the next video, I'll show you how to do a little bit more formatting to this and clean it up a little bit.